In this fast-growing world of technology and development, the demand for software far exceeds the supply of coders. Therefore, no-code development tools help several organizations escape the shortage of software developer skills. Below we will discuss about what is no-code and its development. Are no-code and low-code the same? Essential features of no-code development. Pros and cons of no-code development. Top-rated no-code application development platforms. No-code in the software world. The no-code is a tool that builds software applications without coding. It is a popular and promising alternative to traditional software development for non-technical business users who want to develop customized software solutions quickly at a low cost. For example, a small business has an insufficient budget to hire a software developer or outsource to a software development house. In that case, no-code platform moves the power of innovation into the hands of the entire organization. No-code development is a platform of solutions that uses simple visual development interface to allow both developers and citizen users to create software swiftly and effortlessly. It helps them meet the demands of faster application delivery, build business, web and mobile applications independently. Most no-code software platforms offer methods to help develop back-end software, also known as server software and front-end software, which users see. Most development on such platforms takes place using drag-and-drop actions to create a complete software application. For example, the digital transformation of your data entry process through Excel can be a tedious job for any business. However, using a no-code platform, one can quickly develop a new cloud-based application to store and use the data. The visual models replace complex coding and allow you to manage your data quickly. Are no-code and low-code the same? No-code platforms are for business people who have no coding knowledge, whereas non-technical people can use low-code, but they might need a developer to finish things off at some point in time. In traditional software application platforms, no-code represents instructions that tell outlets how to implement desired functions. Low-code platforms have pre-built functionality that enables users to build their application before calling a developer to code and customize it. Before we jump into the pros and cons of no-code development, let us know no-code development features. The drag-and-drop interface is the foremost reason why no-code development platform has attracted the developing crowd and is overgrowing because of its user-friendly feature. The data connection in no-code application development platforms is either pre-configured database software or a simple user interface. This not only helps you build user-facing visuals but runs functions behind the scenes to help you complete your business workflows. The user interface builder and visual modeling allow users to quickly put together pre-configured elements to run a website and application together. It requires no coding, where you can just drag, drop, and arrange. Integration in the no-code platforms enables you to connect your data and process with other software without duplicating or doing manual work. Pros and cons of no-code development. Pros. It is an appealing development that allows non-programmers to pump out apps or workflows quickly. No-code can be useful to both developers and business users. Finer agility. The 90% development in the no-code method is done through drag and drop by using already built modules. It becomes faster to build apps and testing is generated that cuts down on development time. Reduced cost. This platform helps reduce the cost benefits of building applications. Because of its modular nature of building apps on no-code platforms, the total time and effort are significantly lower compared to traditional coding. Increased productivity. Speed stands as the major factor in making an application, and the work that used to take months is now done within a few hours or days. Easily changeable. In traditional coding, it is difficult to change the functions and features. In no-code, you can simply implement new logic and make changes in a matter of hours. Cons. It is important to understand the hidden drawbacks and risks associated with no-cost use, such as clear requirement. As no two no-code platforms or limitations are alike, one should determine their requirements, fits and works with a particular tool. Rigid templates limit your work. It limits customizing applications. In another way, to meet the capabilities of no-code platform, you will have to change your business processes. Security. When developing a code, one can depend on what they write. But one cannot have complete control when working with no-code. It leads to security contravention, and your no-code platform can get hacked, making your application vulnerable. No-code development platforms are best suited to businesses that require simple, out-of-the-box solutions with minimal customization. This often applies to internal systems rather than customer-facing software. Here are few top-rated no-code app development platforms. Airtable, it is a cloud collaborative organization tool that consists of the spreadsheet database hybrid. It integrates with other apps and lets you plug into your website. Nintex platform is a workflow automation solution where you can visually plan, map and manage your business processes. Here, you can optimize your business process by leveraging the data created through automated processes. AppSheet is an app-building platform that allows you to quickly build apps to collect or connect to data. It also allows users to create mobile, tablet and web applications using data sources like Google Drive, Office 365, Dropbox, and other cloud-based spreadsheet and database platforms. Salesforce Platform, it is an enterprise platform as a service solution that allows developers to build and deploy cloud applications. It provides tools that automate business processes, integrates with external applications, and provide a responsive layout to users. Microsoft Power Apps is a collection of apps, services, connectors and data platforms that provide a rapid application development environment to build custom apps. Wrapping it up. If you are looking to start using no-code app developer, the above information will help you understand how to use it in your business. As it is revolutionary for a non-technical audience, it becomes easy for anyone to use and start their business. It is the best route for most early startups, freelancer and agencies. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.